here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my subscribers and my new ones. It's always a pleasure to have you. So today, from the title, you guys see where I'm going to be doing review follow-up on my better length hair. You guys knew that I worked with them in the past, and I absolutely love this light yaki hair that they sent me out. This is the 18-inch hair, and it's sort of like a off black. This is how the hair comes. You see the nice beautiful silk bag. I'm still using it to store my hair. I washed this hair because I used it when I was on vacation. So right now it's freshly washed and clean. As you can see how the texture is really nice, that dense look, as though, you know, your hair has just been freshly washed without applying any type of heat or anything. That's the effect that this hair actually gives, and I absolutely love it because it blends so well with my relaxed hair. I'm gonna put the information for this site down below. You guys can go ahead and check them out. They have beautiful hair that not only just this light yaki hair, but they do have different textures of hair that can go if you have wavy or curly hair. You know, they do have something that's gonna fit your needs. And this light yaki hair is so great for us relaxed girls. This hair does wash really well. Since I received it, I only washed it once, and I think that it held up really well. I did apply heat to this hair, but you know, I haven't been using it as much. Now this set does come with a couple of wefts. Now altogether there are 7 wefts. There's one that comes with 4 clips. Then 2 of the wefts come with 3 clips. There's 2 wefts that are sort of a slight little longer than the other 2 that do come with 2 clips each, but you know, one is actually longer than the other. So you have like 2 of these wefts that are pretty short, and then 2 more that are a little longer. Now today I'm going to show you guys a simple way how you can apply just 2 wefts of these clip-ins in your hair, that you can give yourself a little bit of volume. Pretty simple, quick and easy. So I'll be using just the 2 wefts that has the 3 clips in it. So I'll just be using these 2 clip-in wefts in my hair. As you can see, the texture of this hair is really nice and beautiful. One weft is like double wefted, so you know, you have a lot of nice little volume in hair, so that can give you a whole lot of body depending on how thick your hair already is, you know. So I'll be using these 2 clip-ins in my hair today. Now my hair is pretty dirty. It's like a week in. I haven't washed it or anything like yet. I am a few weeks into my relaxer, 15 weeks post. So right now I have a lot of new growths in between here, so I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to part my hair and apply these clip-ins just to give myself a little bit of volume without making it look too obvious. I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just go right into this corner right here and just make a curve down, and I just average and I just part it down just like that. How it should look, you know, like that. So I'm just gonna secure this away here like that, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Gonna secure this part here again. I had already detangled my hair, so I'm just gonna lightly just comb the ends of it just a little bit right here. Just bring everything over. So now to put my clip-ins in, I'm just gonna comb the hair over onto the side, and I'm going to go with my first clip-in weft. I'm just going to comb through this just a little bit. Now I'm going to apply these wefts going this way. Okay, so that's my first clip-in that I just applied. I'm going to just flip the hair over onto the other side and apply the other clip-in. tie these clip-ins going this way. So now you can see where everything has been clipped in going this way. Now the reason why I installed the clip-ins going upward this way is that it will be easy to put my hair up into a high bun. So right now I'm just going to do a rough draft of styles that you can actually use with this clip-in while it's in this formation. So the styles I'm about to show you are based around the way how I install these clip-ins. Not every style you may try will be able to be achieved unless it's geared around the way how the hair is installed. My main focus was also to install these clip-ins in a way so that when I comb my hair into styles, there won't be any obvious showing that I do have clip-ins in my hair, and I think that was also achieved. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, as you can see, the way how I place the clip-ins, it really helped me to achieve 3 great hairstyles without giving the obvious appearance as though I have clip-ins in my hair, and it's pretty comfortable the way that it is right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was a little helpful, so do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.